Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative along with Daisy, and today we have a very special unboxing. So I'm just going to set Daisy over here. Okay, she's going to be out of camera range for now. But I received this box, came all the way from Hollywood, California to here in Louisiana. And it's got a special little gal in here. So I don't know how many of you actually follow Jerem over there, of a friend of Ariel's on Instagram, but that's where this box is coming from. He actually reached out to me and he was looking for a home for this little girl that's in here, and I said I would love to take her. So let's see. All right, I got my scissors here. This way. Nope. I'm going to be very careful that I don't damage anything that's in the box. Alright, got it open. Whoops, one more little clippy clip. Oh, wow. Let's see what all is in here. It's interesting how he boxed it. Hang on a second. All right, I wanted to read the note off camera just to make sure I could read it here. But it says, "Thank you for giving Ellie a good home. I really appreciate it. She's a special girl. I also threw in a couple of pair of fairy wings I never ended up using on another project. I figured you could find use for them. I also threw in a spare silicone mat I had on hand. Thank you, Jaren." All right. So that's what this is on top. I was kind of confused. I was like, what is that? Okay. All right. Oh, here she is. Here's the mat. I love that color. Oh, we got a stand here. And from what I understand, this little girl, oh, there's all kinds of stuff in here. She was actually a custom doll. And I can't remember what her original name was, but I'll put it under here. Oh, she is pretty. I love this dress. My goodness. Isn't that a beautiful color? Let's see. Let's get her legs all straightened out here. Where are they? Oh, let me take this off. All right, she's sleeping right now. She's all asleep. She's got some painted nails. I love this color. And her eyelashes, before I open her eyes, look at her eyelashes. They're kind of like a seafoam green. And her eyelids. See what color her eyes are. Oh, she's got some artwork on the back of her too. Okay, so we have brown. It's kind of almost got a purpley, like a lavender tint to it. Ooh, those are pretty. Look at those eyes. They're a very beautiful blue. There we go. Ooh, those are pretty. They have some, ooh, look at that. That almost reminds me of an abalone shell. Look at that. Ooh, those are pretty. We've got blue and pink and yellow. Some of my, and kind of a purpley in there too. Those are really pretty. See, I'll put them on my favorite. Okay. And then her dress. Look how pretty. It's got a train. I love trains. I remember when I got married, prerequisite for my dress, it had to have a train. Oh, look how pretty. Looks like it's got peacocks on the back. It's layered. I'll have to take some pictures of her after this and put it at the end of this video. Let's see. I think she's got, okay. Let's look at the back here. It's very pretty. And her beads here. They match really nicely with her. Oh, I've got some beads like this. I never even thought to put them on a pull cord. I think I used them for our virtual Blythe retreat last year to make earrings. They were jellyfish earrings. All right, she is gorgeous. There, those are the eyes I like the best. Aren't they pretty? All right, let's see what else is in this box. Oh, how fun. I don't know which package I want to open first. Okay, we have this dress. Okay, so these are the arm things. Let me show you this. See how her sleeves are like that? This is the same thing. Okay, not pretty. Oh, and this must be a little headpiece. Here's another little package. Oh, I think this was her original name. Xuan. It's Xuan. I'm going to look up and see how to say that. All right, so you say it Schwan. It said like the SH and then Schwan. And it means, it's Vietnamese, and it means spring, symbolizing new beginnings, growth, and vitality. Which is interesting because all my girls up here, most of them are beachy, tropical names. But I do have, some of them are named after flowers, like this one's hibiscus. We have daisy here. Those are my two favorite flowers, a hibiscus and daisy. And then I've got, let's see, oh, there she is. That is summer. So now we have spring. I love that. And I think he said he named her, let me make sure, yeah, Ellie. And I might call her Ellie Spring. I don't know. I have to think about what I'm going to call her. But I definitely like the spring name Goes right along with summer. All right. Oh, look at these shoes. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. I think that goes with what she's wearing. And so we have these little stockings. I think, in fact, all this I think goes with what she's wearing. And then we have a little purse. And I know when I saw a picture of her, which I'll add a picture of her at the end, how I was first introduced to her. This little brooch was in her hair. Isn't that pretty? Look at the sparkle on that. I never even thought about using a brooch for a hairpiece. That's a really good idea. And then we have these little earrings. Aren't those pretty? It is a dream catcher with a little feather on the bottom. All right, let's see what's in this bag. Looks like a lot of, I don't know if it's crochet or knitting. Oh, how cute. Oh, look at that. A little shawl. Little pin. We have some stockings. Oh, wow. Look at this hat. How fun. It's so fun. I love the colors. I am into color. I love all kinds of colors and stuff. Anything bright. Here I got a gray shirt on, but bright here. But I'm usually very drawn to very bright colors. We have a little outfit here. I'm going to have to pull one of my dolls and put that on her. This is really cute little outfit. I was just looking at her hair, and it's very good hair. I wanted to show you the haircut. I really actually like the haircut a lot. She's got little side bangs. It's kind of a shaggy cut. Look how shiny her hair is. And it feels really nice. All right. I think I got this box open up. I think these are the wings. Ooh, look how pretty though. Ooh, these are really pretty. All right, lots of wings. And you know, I've got some fairy ears that I just haven't done anything with. And this girl right here, I made her into the jellyfish princess, but she'd make a really good fairy. And look how pretty that would look on her. So we have 3 sets here. Look at this. In fact, look how pretty that would look. So we have this one set. And we have this set. And then this set. What a fun unboxing. Let me go take some pictures and put at the end of this some of the, I've got several outfits here, including spring. So let me get organized here and put some new clothes on somebody. I don't know who's going to be the lucky people to get to try these new things on, and then I'll take some pictures and put them at the end of this. I hope you go check out Jaren's Instagram. I will actually put a link to that down in the description box below. It's called A Friend of Ariel's. I really like his aesthetic. I am very much into the tropical, and it looks like he is too. I love anything to do with tropical, beachy type thing, and he likes mermaids. In fact, he had her dressed as a mermaid, and maybe I'll try to grab that picture off of Instagram if I can and post that at the end of this. But go check out his Instagram. He's got some beautiful dolls over there. And thank you, Jaren, for reaching out to see if we would be interested in her. I think she's going to be a fun addition to my collection. Honestly, I have been shopping around for some type of a custom doll. And it's kind of funny how this just happened to come about. So now I have my first custom doll. Again, thank you, Jaren. And thank you all for joining me. You have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye. So instead of posting pictures, I thought I would just hop back up on here and show you in person or a video of the dolls in the outfits. But before I do that, I noticed when I was editing, these girls you couldn't see. So this is Summer. This is the Jellyfish Princess. And Hibiscus plopped her down, and she's going to be one of our models. Here she is. Isn't she cute? This is a darling outfit. It's a little warm right now. It's in the 80s here. But this is going to be really cute in the fall for her to wear. Got some little boots that match already. Here's her hat. And then a little collar. I guess it goes that way. I guess I could either have it tie in the front or the back. I like showing the little, the beads there. But she is really, really cute in this. And then I put Schwan or Ellie or Spring. She's got all kinds of names. I put her in this kimono here. Isn't it pretty? And this is not a hairpiece. It's a belt. When I first opened this up, I didn't realize it was a kimono. Once I pulled these out, I realized what this was. But she's really cute in this. And here is Spring, all springed out. Gave her a little spring dress to wear, and I changed her eyes out to those rainbow eyes. Aren't they pretty? Anyway, there we go. I'm going to be adding her up to my collection here. Notice there's probably a few dolls missing, and that is because I am actually working with some dolls for the virtual Blythe retreat that my sister and I are getting ready to host coming up June 20th, 21st, and 22nd of 2025. And this girl will definitely be going. You excited? Yay! Yep, I think she's excited. And Daisy will be excited to have a friend come along. Anyway, this for sure is goodbye. Y'all have a great day.